Hey guys, and welcome back to the Williams fam. So don't mind my look. This is quarantine look for today. The girl is up early. I just had to go pick up Rissa's laptop from school. And look guys, Faith's in school. Look how she's dressed for school today. Look at her face.
I woke up.
So
I'm like,
she's in school right now. She has class, and yeah, she's in class right now. I'm about to make me and her some breakfast, and then I have an exam, so I gotta get up and do that. That's what I'm doing. So I just hurry up and came back from outside, and yeah, so today I am making egg wraps.
Does she need to work on her assignment?
So yeah, she can work on her assignment when she gets up.
She has like a week.
So I have not made these in a while, and I'm deciding that I made them the other day, and I was like, oh, maybe I'll actually vlog them. Give you guys some new breakfast ideas, stuff you can do for breakfast.
I look like a garbage bag.
So I cut up my stuff. I got my cheese here, and then I got my wraps. What I can do is so I just take out.
Oh, did my teacher end? Oh yeah, it's done.
You could also make this as well for a burrito. Like when I make burrito wraps, so I told hubby I was gonna make it for him so he can try for dinner one day. So,
oh my god, that's what
okay,
he's like you and your petite child.
I'm going to do Faith's bit first, and then I will do mine. All right. This is the.
Mom?
Huh?
Am I still basic?
It's supposed to be more adventurous. I know there's more adventure. Now you take your cheese, and I would place it wherever you want to place it. Okay. And you don't have to do the whole Faith because she doesn't want hers cheesy, so fold this, and then you put half the cheese.
I'm getting 3? Yeah.
Because she says she doesn't want it cheesy. If you want it extra cheesy, you would put a full of cheese. So she wants 1 cheese. So now what you do is you take the stuff and you would put it there.
I came way too close. Okay, now I can turn up this. Mommy, turn this up. Or no? Turn up like 6.
Okay. And you put the stuff on. We get some toothpicks. So what you do now is you would fold. So you would fold them like this. Okay.
We're gonna rate her food, guys.
And make them into little wraps. And then you can break the
I don't even know whose water that is.
stick and then put it in to hold the wraps down like that. And I would take the wraps and I would, okay, make sure the stuff is in there, lay it down. See, like this, Faith? Are you watching?
Yep.
So now you can make it on your own.
Oh, that's how it was when it was like.
And then you just kind of press it down. So the cheese is what melts it and holds it together. Her wraps are finished. So she has 3 wraps. And there, that's what they look like. Look at this one here.
Yeah. I mean, we get the ketchup. You have it. Oh, it's hot. Mommy, it's really crunchy. It feels crunchy. That's good. As soon as we pick up the hot dog.
Okay. And with this is something easy that young kids can make. Just kind of watch them. So this is mine. And I have more stuff in mine than hers.
Ow!
Said I don't make breakfast for her anymore. The other day I did make breakfast because I made them a nice banana waffles.
But wasn't I there helping you? You actually saw me behind the scenes. Where Faith stepped in. And you know, she helped. Yeah.
A little bit.
No, not a little bit.
Anything.
I looked after the waffles. See, I'm taking credit for what she did.
I will do these ones. So I'm doing extra ones.
Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that looks so appetizing. I would eat that.
Show you guys. Oh. Okay, so I just take them and then, oh shoot. Okay. I'll put these down.
Do you need me to help you? Mom? You need me to help you?
Okay. And obviously, if you're making stuff for somebody, you wouldn't use your hands. But because they're for myself, and I'm gonna make 2 for Rissa, that's okay. And then put these
My baby's gonna
down.
be like, where's mine?
Well, I'll give Rissa one and give Memphis one.
Huh?
Well, that's why they should get up, okay? And then I'll put this one there. Okay? So there, I got all of them in. And basically,
I'm gonna make some tea for myself.
Okay.
You want this cup? You already have yours in there.
yeah, I could pour up my tea. So what it does now, I let it sit. And you make sure the pan is like dry. So then you can just use it.
Some people, when they want it to cook fast, just put it on max.
Okay.
How do you pour tea so good? Like me? Sugar's everywhere.
I just pour out my tea. Let me just get my...
Oh, my toe is crusty. I need to get some like this.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Those like smell so good.
Let me check this. Okay.
Yeah, I feel like if you had a grill, do you feel like they'd do better?
Yeah, because you get that grill mark.
I wonder, do grills have like a scent to it?
Okay. So this one can stay because I put it on last. And then like with these stuff, you could just put them back or put them onto the side. But quick and easy way to make something delicious. So let me just zoom in on the bad boy. Where he is. See? So this is what it looks like. I love making new things. And these are stuff I used to make for the kids when they were young. I haven't made these in years.
Oh, you used to make those when you were younger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I haven't made these in a good while.
Ah! Ow!
See, and then this time I didn't use the...
It's open. It's not closing properly. Oh.
Hey guys, so I I would just take 1, 2, and 3. There you have it. And there you have it. And then I put these ones on the side. Wear them.
Ow.
Okay. And that's breakfast.
That's called yummy and delicious.
So that is breakfast, guys. Let me show you this. So, and this is what breakfast looks like. And I got my tea. You see Faith here is finishing hers. She just finished school. And then I left two for Memphis and Arissa. They can try it because they haven't tried it in a while. So I left 2 for them. But I'm going to eat, and then after that, your girl's got her exam. So then I got school myself. So that's something just quick that you can make, and they taste really good. So let's do the taste test. Nice and tasty. So good. And you could put ketchup in it. You could add sauce if you want to dip it. Perfect. And then that's it. I hope you guys like this video, this quick breakfast, how to make a quick breakfast on the go, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.